Next question po is again from the hip and knee arthritis na Facebook na group. Doc, baka hindi na po ako makalakad after surgery. Sorry po, medyo totoo to actually. Maraming mga patients na pasyente na takot dahil narinig nila sa kapitbahay na hindi na makakalakad. Which is why we created the Facebook group po, which is why we are sharing patients, real patients who are able to walk naman agad. Some hours after surgery, some the day after surgery. Pero we do our best and we even check kung kumusta na before surgery yung balanse ng patient, kailangan ba ng walker, para sure na po na makakalakad po kayo after surgery. Remember, yung hip replacement po is para siyang papalitan yung gulong ng kotse at ito yung analogy ko. If yung makina ng kotse is may problema, I think na magkakaproblema talaga yung pagtakbo ng kotse. Pero if yung kotse malakas naman, once we do the hip replacement and put the implant in, majority ng mga patients, yun po yung 98% is pag na hip replacement na, makakalakad naman sila. Lalo na ngayon, we have very minimally invasive techniques gaya ng mga minimally invasive hip replacement. I do the anterior hip replacement where you don't cut muscle, and then hopefully you can see the patients walking naman po na hindi naman sila na totoo na hindi nakakalakad after surgery. So again, it's a fear na totoo. Maraming pasyente na takot dahil narinig hindi na makalakad. Sa experience naman namin, hindi naman totoo po na hindi makakalakad. We actually do the procedure because I call it walking back to life. We want our patients to walk again without the pain of AVN, without the pain of the hip fracture, the hip arthritis po. So, thank you for that question. Pasensya na if natawa ako because it's a real question, pero I hope naman na lahat ng patients nakakalakad. Ayaw naman natin ng isang patient na hindi makalakad after surgery. But I think na medyo sa culture natin natakot tayo because probably before, dati pa, hindi pa masyadong advanced yung mga technique at tapos yung mga pasyente is posible na hindi nakakalakad, posible na hindi nagising, pero sa experience naman natin, 98 naman talaga yung percent ng success. Hindi siya parang 50-50 na pwedeng may mangyari, pwede na mag-success. So 98% is almost 100% na success po sa hip replacement. So I hope po that helps. Medyo marami po tayong mga tanong at I think na we are running out of time, mga arthritis warriors. So, recap lang po, if you feel na may pain sa singit, sa bugan, sa punuan, it can be AVN or hip arthritis. Please see and consult a doctor near you, preferably a hip specialist.